How much do you think an organization that doesn't pay extra attention to internal controls loses annually to fraud and errors? I'll tell you, it's 5%. 5. Yes, this is an average, and likely your organization is better than average. But 2% are a lot as well. Can we afford to throw money out of the window? Probably not. Can we avoid those losses? Absolutely, we can. The question is how. Encryption, access control, and segregation of duties isn't enough to protect you, as they leave room for team errors, inefficiencies, and fraud. So now what? This is our answer. remQ Business Inspector for SAP software. remQ is a SAP add-on with real-time audit checks performed on every critical transaction, flagging and, if selected, interrupting anything out of the normal. It flags the suspicious based on compliance best practices, plus research in fraud investigation and prevention. Look at your procurement processes, for example. remQ checks every vendor and critical changes throughout the entire procurement process, from purchase order through to payment. Just imagine how many little inspectors that would take to do it manually. Some examples. Vendor and employee share the same bank account. Or change of vendor bank details before a payment run. And wrong payment terms in incoming invoices. The list of checks is long and always growing. You can adopt controls and even write new ones. Absolutely no technical skills required. Without the support of intelligent and automated technology, you will be usually too late for prevention. remQ will get you ahead of the game. It will create real-time alerts for everything out of the norm and can even block vendors or payments. remQ is all about controls in an environment you usually trust. So don't trust me either. Test us. If you do, our quick assessment will surface not only the saving potentials in your procure-to-pay transactions, remQ can do the same for your sales and revenue transactions and follow the money as it flows through your organization. That easy? With the right tooling and expertise? Absolutely yes. Invest 2 days of your team's time to run a quick assessment. Experience how easy remQ will uncover compliance issues and, more importantly, your saving potential.